Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to find the phone call options on a Google Chat on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way you to find those call options is so simple. Open your Google Chat application now. If you cannot find any applications on your home screen, go into the app library and simply just type chat and go click it to open it. And then for the next thing, you just need to decide whom do you want to call. And after you found someone that you want to call, just go click it until you open the chat room of you with him, her, or them. And after that, you need to take a look on this upper right corner. You will see like two symbols. Then there, one is like a camera, and then the other one is magnifier. So to find the phone call, you just need to go click this video symbols, and you will see there will be a chat audio and chat video. If you want to have a phone call, go click this chat audio, but then if you want to have the video call, go into the chat video. So that's the way how to find the phone call options on Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.